There's a packet of strawberry seeds taped shut with old painter's tape on my kitchen shelf. It's in a white envelope that's gone beige, and the corners are dog-eared. There's a Sharpie note in the front, and it says Albion 2021 question mark. The question mark was my friend's idea of record keeping. The first try, we tried to do a paper towel laboratory. The seeds were sandwiched between two damp sheets and slid into a zip top bag. The blue zipper was half closed for airflow. We checked every 6 hours like anxious parents. By day three, the towels smelled like a middle school gym locker. The mold bloomed before any root did. It was cottony, it was gray, and it judged me. We tossed the whole thing into the trash, bag and all, as if shame itself could be sealed. For the second try, we tried doing some direct tray professionalism. We started with a sterile seed starting mix, 2 fingers deep in a black 72 cell flat. We spritzed with chamomile tea because a Reddit thread said it prevents damping off. We set the tray on a heating mat that hummed faintly like it was keeping secrets. The first week went by, we got nothing. 2 weeks went by, also nothing. By week three, the soil crusted over like desert pan. I dug a seed out with a bamboo skewer. It looked exactly the same as the day we buried it, only angrier. For our third try, we tried scarification. We nicked each seed with a nail file until our thumbs cramped. We soaked them overnight in lukewarm water spiked with a drop of hydrogen peroxide for oxygenation. Next morning, they smelled like wet pennies, and we planted anyways. We waited. They bloated, split, dissolved like strawberry ghosts. We started arguing. He said the seeds were dead stock. I said we were smothering them with care. Somewhere between accusation and fatigue, we forgot the packet in the windowsill above the sink. Spring crept in. The kitchen stayed humid from nightly pasta boils. The morning sun hit the sill just long enough to warm the envelope, then bowed out before noon. We didn't water, we didn't watch, and we didn't will. One afternoon, I lifted the packet to wipe the condensation ring. You could smell chlorophyll, tiny green threads pushing through a tear along the tape seam. The roots were gripping nothing but stale air and the paper's own pulp. We finally moved them, gently, into a shallow terracotta dish filled with plain garden soil. No heat mat, no tea, no peroxide. And they kept growing. Of course they did. And that's what it landed. Some things aren't waiting for any technique. They're just waiting for space. I kept the ruined seed packet. I taped it back shut, mold stains and all. It sits on the shelf next to the dish where the plants are now flowering. White petals and yellow hearts. Quiet evidence that the best help we gave was stepping away.